How to enable or disable use background sounds when media is playing on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on Audio or Visual. Next, tap on Background Sounds. And in here, tap on Use when media is playing. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If this is turned on when you are playing media, then you can also have the background sound play together with the media file, such as when you're watching YouTube video, you can also have your background play on the background of that YouTube video audio. In here, you can also change your background sound volume as well. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.